journey into the colorful world of birds.
Use this beak to help flip it over. Well done. Now, if insects will thank you. Now, if insects will take off in mid-air, they are able to make vertical flights to catch it. Just like that. But that's a really low one, huh? Let's try something really high. Whoa! Great job, man. Once again. They are the most numerous vulture species in the world, numbering way over 10 million of them along the shopping districts right here in Singapore. And that was back in 2005. We went out there to rescue him and nurse him back to good health. Now take a good look at him. Don't you think he's very strong and healthy now? Well, after all, he is a survivor. Alright, Genghis, it's time for you to make way for the rest of your friends. The title, The Kings of the Sky. Thanks so much, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, for being such an amazing audience here today. And you can continue being amazing people by not leaving any trash behind. And in addition, please remember that we are
down. Amigo here loves to sing. He can actually sing 3 different songs in 3 different languages. Now the first song is a local children's song. It's called Caroline, which means a guest comes to visit. So Amigo, let's sing in Mandarin. Wow, big perfect performance by Amigo, well done. Okay, now the next song is from Indonesia. It's called Rasa Sayang, which actually means feelings of love. Amigo, would you like to sing Rasa Sayang? Lovely song by Amigo. That was beautiful. Now the last song is an English song, but before he sings, anyone who is celebrating your birthdays, if you're having birthday today, raise your hands. Anyone? Yeah, one up here, 2, 3. Any more? One more here, 4 of you, 5. Any more? Okay, for the 5 of you, Amigo here has a special song. You know what to do. Happy birthday! Now next up from Eastern Europe we have the Dalmatian Pelican. All the way back to Africa, back to the sexy long legs supermodels of the water on the greater flamingos. Skies with our beautiful uncommon because of South America. Coming from up there and there.